I am Mariana Soria. I'm an internal audit manager for the AES Corporation. I think visibility, we didn't have that before because we didn't have a good system. Everybody was working in Excel files, so they needed to upload them to some system. So that's, I think, one of the main things. Transparency, visibility helps check our progress of our work. It helps a lot, like in the coordination. PBC requests are a good example of that. From the tester's perspective, for SOX, we are spread around the globe, so coordination, it helped a lot for the SOX program. Having the SOX and the internal audit workspaces and the integration is really good. For example, sometimes we find issues in the audits that also have a SOX impact. So that then is integrated to the SOX workspace as well. Efficiency, collaboration, visibility.